Wheelton WHT-A6 installation instructions. Close the cold water valve before installation. Take off the dust cover of the water inlet. Unscrew the cold water angle valve. Connect the T. Tighten the T with a wrench. One side of the T is connected to the braided pipe of the tap. Tighten the braided hose with a wrench. Connect the other side to the inlet of the water filter and tighten it. Put the big white O-ring and the small white O-ring into the base of the tap, and connect it to the tap hole of the sink. Put the black O-ring, metal ring, and faucet nut into the bottom thread of the faucet in order and tighten. Tighten the tap nut with a wrench or other tools. Connect the quick connect fittings of the outlet pipe of the water filter. Connect the PE pipe and insert the other side into the water filter outlet. Turn on the tap water valve and faucet to test and make sure there is no water leakage. The installation is complete.